Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt. And this is Super Boss number 30 of Charizard C. Target CP 11,060. This might be a challenging battle, guys. This might be challenging. I'm kind of scared. And I don't know, guys. We're using charge boost. I don't know how we are going to do, but we'll try our best. Celebi, come here. Why are you looking at me? Why you look at me? I like how low. Oh my gosh, my HP. Why is my HP so low already? Ow! 9,000. What the heck? Wow. 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 So strong. So strong, guys. Probably should equip Mamoswine as well. Avoid that. Just 3 attacks and let's run away. Switch. Run away. Buzzwole. Run away. Come on. Come on. Ow. Ow. My goodness. So strong. One, two, three, and just use first impression. Just oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness! Scary! Oh, run away! Oh my goodness. Oh shit! Oh damn, so strong. Break time. Fire blast. My fire blast my... Oh no, I made a mistake. Switch! Switch! Come on, come on, come on, come on. We can do this, we can do this. Ow, frick, so strong. Just one more hit and he's dead. He is dead, he is dead. Come on. There you go. There you go, guys. That was Super Boss number 30. I'm afraid because Celebi is coming out again, Super Boss number 35. But at least we defeated Super Boss number 30. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video.